Hey guys, I'm gonna show you how to do this really cute flat lay for super cheap. Basically, I got some peel and stick vinyl flooring tiles from Home Depot. They were on clearance for a penny a piece. And I got two small packing boxes from them. And you're basically going to put the tiles on here. You're going to do it on two separate boxes so that you can have one that is flat and then another one that's kind of the background if you want to use it for something other than a flat lay. And just to give you an idea of how much these things are, if you were to buy them online or at a store, they're $77. I spent less than $10 on this and only took about 5 minutes. I took an old iPhone and screenshotted a stock image from Pinterest and put it on the flat lay, and it comes out really cute. They're super cheap. Here's a little close up. And you can do the same with food too. I hope this was helpful to you and saved you a lot of money.